Good evening, guys. Welcome back to FTT YouTube channel, where I'll be teaching you how to trade an Asian session and how to analyze the market for next week or for a previous week, so that you can know where the market is going, so that you can make money on your trading journey. Understand? So yeah, let's go to Euro USD. This pair that I'm analyzing here is Euro USD hourly time frame. And we're just gonna analyze the weekly movement. We need the weekly movement. So what we're gonna do right here, the first step, you're gonna check where the Friday is. This is the Friday, right? And this is the Thursday until Monday. So it's 5 days back. It's 1 2 3 4 5 days back. Then we have the Asia in and Asia low, Asia in and Asia low. So they make sure that they take the Asia high stop losses, come back to the Asia low stop losses, go back to Asia high stop losses, come back to Asia low stop losses, Asia low stop losses, come back to Asia. You understand? Some days it will happen, but it happens most of the days. So they'll take high, come back for low. You understand? So come back for low, they're gonna go for high. You understand? So first thing first is that you have to know. You have to know where was the highest of the market. It was on Wednesday, and the lowest of the market, it was also on Wednesday. This is the highest and the lowest of the market. You understand? So we just have to mark the highest with the lowest of the market. So you can see already we have got the supply and we've got the demand. Understand? For the next week. So one thing that you have to do, you have to do like this. So I'm just gonna analyze this video first. It's a 5-minute video, so that you can understand and take a quick notes and make money on your trading journey. Understand? So yeah, we're just gonna do like this. Supply demand, we already found our supply and demand for the next week. So one thing that we have to do, we just have to mark them like this. Understand? Mark them like this and overlay this ray, this parameter, this ray, you overlay it like this. You understand? So that's your supply, and this is your demand right here. This one is your demand. So we already got the demand and supply. So already I can see what will happen next week. So this one is our supply, this one is our demand. So even if we have to do like this, you can see the demand and supply. It touches back here on Friday, but I think they're just gonna come back a little bit and breaks this and take all your stop losses below these zones and trap some of you thinking that it's selling while it's buying to take the Friday Asia high. You understand? So yeah, you just have to know this concept. You just know where the demand and supply is. We found the supply on Wednesday, and we also found the supply on Wednesday here at the low. You understand? So you just have to know, even our supply may be here on Monday, Tuesday, we don't know, and our demand is also here on Monday and Tuesday, we don't know. So we just have to wait for these zones and wait for the market to play and follow the market, what the market is doing. So we don't have to trade what we think, we trade what we see. You understand? So I just analyze you Euro USD on an hourly time frame, so that you can see and you know how these people place you and how these people manipulate your orders. So yeah, that was Euro USD on an hourly time frame. So I really appreciate sharing this with you guys. So I think next week we can see a bounce back around this zone. You understand? Yeah, the bounce back around this zone. It won't be a big movement, but it's one of those weeks that the market plays slow. You understand? You just have to be patient, accumulate little by bit, 1% per day, then you can make money as time goes on, until we wait for this rally again. You understand? Until we wait for this rally. So all I can see around this zone is a good potential areas where we can put our entries and also put our take profit here. You understand? So yeah, we just have to wait for next week and see how the market plays. So I just need to know and share this with you so that you can be aware and know when to enter and know when to sell, because the only thing that is running these things is time. You just have to know when the market will do this. You understand? So I just analyze this you. So this strategy also consists of time. So I didn't invent this strategy. I learned it from someone. So I made it more advanced. So I saw that the strategy wasn't finished. So I added some of the things like time separators, days, date. You understand the Asias, how they manipulate them. So I just saw on someone. So but they didn't explain it in a full description. So yeah, I really appreciate. So I wish you can comment, like, and subscribe if you really want to know some of my new content on how I'll be analyzing H4, how the H4 correlate with some other time frames, how H1 correlate with some other time frames. Because right now, what I just did, I just showed you how the H1 correlate with the weekly, and at the same time how the H1 correlate with the daily. You understand? So here is how the H1 correlate with the daily. You understand? This was the Friday high and the Friday low. So this also is your demand and your supply. Understand? So demand and the supply right here, right about this one. So yeah, I will explain. There's a lot and a lot on this strategy that I have to explain for you. You understand? So this can comes here on a Friday high. It was a supply for this one. You understand? Yeah, it's like this: supply, demand, supply, demand. All the supply and demand is the engine of the market. You just have to know the supply and demand of the market, then you know the engine of the market. Then the rest you can just add them if you want to add them. You understand? So yeah, I really appreciate. I wish you can subscribe. Then I will upload more content, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I really appreciate. I wish you can make a lot of money this week. Thank you.